Zenly is a low-cost, cloud-based system that allows loan originators to easily take an application, run credit, desktop originator, and LPA, and then send it over to a lender. It's perfect for mortgage brokers since it's focused on just what they need. It's easy to set up and allows for company customization. And since Zenly is cloud-based, you can securely access it from a tablet or a mobile device. The menu bar at the top allows you to easily move between your pipeline and administrative areas. Templates is an area where the administrator can manage company information, select company defaults for initial disclosures, set up company credentials for credit, desktop originator, or LPA, and set up a fee template to save time when creating new files. In the fees template, we have a standard fee template to get you started. Each section of the fee worksheet allows you to add fees and select the responsible party, as well as select the PFC, FHA, or finance checkboxes off to the right. Under the Users tab, administrators can set up new users and specify their roles and what access they can have in the system. You can set up their loan access to edit or read only, giving access for document management in files, and enable them to be able to send out documents with e-signature. They can also set access for each section inside of the loan file for the user to be able to edit that section, view that section, or have no access, which they would not see it as an option. Below that is our online application. As an administrator, you can give a loan originator their own individual website page for borrowers to apply through and access their landing page so they can update their photo and greeting message to their borrowers. You can also grant administrator access if you want to have another user that's able to add users, edit them, or edit the templates that you've set up for your company. Under the Reports tab, we have 4 standard reports to help you manage your leads, active pipeline, as well as closed reports for your end of month. Inside each of the reports, you've got several filters. The filters allow you to narrow your results to loans with statuses between dates, certain loan originators, or current statuses. Once you generate the report, you can always export that into Excel if you want to save that and continue editing. Under the Leads Loans tab, this is the pipeline where the loan originator will work their files. Files are automatically sorted by the last status date, but you can sort your file by any of these headers. You can also do a search for a specific file, or you can filter your pipeline by selecting the filter icon and selecting Leads or Loans, and the pipeline below will update. There are several ways to start a file in Zenly. You can create a new blank lead, a new blank file, or import a 3.2 or 3.4. We also have the ability to drag and drop a file onto this screen, and it's going to import it into your pipeline. We also have the option to send a lead invite to your borrower by text or email. This sends out a link to your borrower and allows them to start the online application. When they complete the application, it will automatically flow into your pipeline for you. At the top right of each loan file page, we have an Export button. This exports the 3.4 file for you so you can take it to any lender that you're working with. You'll also see that there is a new menu bar at the top, Status to Settings. Under Status, you have a way to track the progression of your file by adding a new status from the list. And with the conversation log, this gives you a place to put your notes in your file. All information pertaining to the borrower and the loan are under the Application tab. The borrower, loan, and subject property all deal with the main application information. Zenly allows you to easily add borrowers to a file with the icon with the plus symbol, or rearrange borrowers easily by dragging their name to a new position. The gear icon gives the ability to separate or merge or even swap borrower's position inside of the file. On the initial fees worksheet, this lets you enter your loan fees. Each section has a plus symbol, so you can enter any fee into any section. And at the top right, there is a button that you can import your fee template. In our Services tab, you can pull a credit report and run Desktop Originator and LPA from inside of Zenly. The results are automatically stored in the Documents section for your reference. In our Documents section, you can add documents that you get from your borrower with the up arrow icon. It also allows you to drag and drop your PDF and then assign a category for organization. This stored area will also house your credit, DO, and LPA results. In Generate, this is where you can create initial disclosures. This would be for printing or saving as a PDF. You filter by the type of documents that you want to see, click the document, and those selected documents will show over on the right. This has a preview icon so you can review them before storing. If you want to send your disclosures out to your borrower for e-signature, you can click the e-signature and request the borrower's signatures. This will show your borrowers, and then you can select the documents you wish them to sign. You can also request documents from your borrower. We have a pre-populated document list to pick from, and you can set a due date and even put notes for your borrower. Once you click Send, an email will be sent over to your borrower, letting them know that there's documents that you are needing for the file. In the top right of the screen, we have two icons. A user icon, which shows the user that's logged in and gives access to their user profile settings. This user profile also has a link to the interview configuration for the online application, as well as a link to email our support and access to our Zenly Help Center. The other icon is a bell, which is our alerts. Alerts are designed to assist the user in determining which lead or loan files have items to work on, such as documents received from the borrower, completed e-signature documents, or a new online application. Zenly is perfect for the broker on the go. For more information, reach out to our sales team at 1-800-362-2599.